Okay, class. Today the topic about in your subject disaster management of module 2, I discuss about the topic is population explosion and its control. How to control the population explosion. In current scenario, the population is increasing very rapidly in India. The whole country, whole world, first position the populations of the very high population of the country of the China. China is the first populated country, and second one is the India. But in current scenario, this situation states that the population of India is overtaken or consumed or achieved to similar the population of the China in some next 2 or 3 or 4 decades, like 30 to 40 years, next 30 to 40 years. Therefore, firstly we all are discuss about what is the population explosion. When our land mass area of the country is limited, therefore firstly roti, kapda or makan, three things about our basic needs of the human things, humanity, that is the roti, khane ki foods, for the foods, and second one wearing clothes, and third one is situated or taken or live in houses. Okay. Now the population explosion. When the population is very rapid increase in over a relatively short period is called population explosion. The sex ratio of our environment, our society is to be disbalanced. Therefore, it is a food crisis, a houses crisis, and many problem created or developed because of the population explosion. Populations, all the inhabitants of the particular places, and the rapid increase in population over a relatively short period is called population explosion. Okay, the condition of having more people than can live on the earth in comfort, happiness and healthy, and still leave the world a fit place for future generations. Understanding population explosion, how to understand the population explosion, what to do you, and how to explain, and how to understand the population explosion is what. The population was near 1 billion till 1825 over all world. In next 100 years it reached to 2 billions, approximately 2 times of the population of the current population. it grew to more than 3 billions in next 35 years only. Another billion added to it in just 15 years. And in next 12 years it reached another billion over, making it 6 billion years before 2000. And now it is around 7.2 billion of our population of the world, which is shown in graph. Okay, in 2006 approximately 7 billion. 50 to 2000 world population of the explosive conditions. In 1952, you see in that graph very rapid increase, exponentially increases the graph, and the population in terms goes to the population explosion. Okay. Now Asian population, like that, similar graph, and 1950 to population growth very rapid, and with respect to up to the 2000 year. Scenario of population in India and China, similar growth of the India and China population, but as some increase the Indian population with respect to the Chinese populations is goes to be a decreasing order up to 2010 to 2013, but in India slight decreasing of the population of the India. Rural India versus urban areas, graph shows. What factors affecting the population growth? First one is the natality. It refers to the birth rate. What types of birth rates of that society, our particular religion, particular peoples in our whole country, different states, and it varies, like for example the Kerala, the population sex ratio is very disbalanced terms. 1000 male to with respect to the female ratio is 900 or 860 approximately. Therefore, it refers to the birth rate, what birth rates achieved of that particular region in our country. Mortality, it refers to the death rates. What type of death rates our society, our nations in current scenario, in current years or current present time, the medicines, medical facilities, our diet, our food productions, all are approximately directly proportional to the mortality, and death rate decreases in current years, some back decades. Immigration, it is the number of individuals that have come into the habitat. Some people think 2 childs only. Some people think 3 childs only. Some people think 1 child only. So what type of habitat your society, your mind live in our country? Immigration, it is the number of individuals of the population who left the habitat. For example, in a family, 3 sons of father have fathers, but 3 sons, 3 things, different things of that 3 similar genetic sons. First son think about 1 child, have 1 child. Second son think have 3 or 4 childs. Third son think 2 childs only, male or female. Therefore, what individuals, that populations habitat is individuals. It is different. Natality, birth rate, it is explained in terms of to determine the rate of population growth. Birth rate plays a dominant role. It depends on both the fertility level and age structures, which is we marriage and we family planning. What stage of your life, what stage of your life to plan family planning. Birth rate indicates the number of live births occurring during the year per 1000 population, estimated at mid-year. Another name for it is crude birth rate. It is called crude birth rate. And birth rate 1960 to 2012, it is decreases with respect to the 1960. First decade decreases 42 to 38, and second decade 38 to 35, and third decade 35 to 30, and fourth decades 30 to 25, and fifth decades 25 to 21, and sixth decade 21 to 20, and so on. Total fertility rate, the average number of births per woman, and which we can see in this graph. 2010 to 2012 approximately it is the equal or horizontal curve. Therefore, it is a saturated conditions. Adolescent fertility rate per 1000 women is 15 to 19. Fertility rate is the number of births per 1000 women is 15 to 19. In 2010 to 2012 it is approximately very decreased with comparison to the 1960. Mortality rate, death rate. Crude death rate indicates the number of deaths occurring during the year per 1000 population, estimated at mid-year. It includes MMR, maternal mortality rate, NMR, neonatal mortality rates, and infant mortality rate. All are added, and therefore mortality rate we can calculate it. And this is the graph with respect to the current scenario and past scenarios. Here, rising burdens. A list of the top 2 killers in India. 10 killers in India. Tuberculosis into 1990 very high, 8 lakhs, and ischemic heart disease in 2013 is very high, 15 lakhs approximately. Pneumonia is very high death rates in 1990, but in current scenario chronic pulmonary disease, and in current scenario the disease death rates by the disease is different disease with comparison to the 1990 to 2013. Okay. Here maternal mortality ratio, it is also going to decreasing orders. Mortality rate neonatal per 1000 leaves births, it is also decreasing order, and mortality rate under 5% 1000 per birth leave births, it is also decreasing order. Here immigration, it is the number of individuals that have come into the habitat. Density of population in India 19,001 per square kilometer, 77 peoples only, but in 2011 it is 382 peoples per square kilometer on average. by the our land mass. Causes of rapid population growth: food production distributions, very high tech and advanced crops are developed by the genetic agricultural industry or agricultural area. Therefore, it is support to the population explosion. Second one, improved health services. Hospitality is goes to that is like hospital facilities is very cheap and very simple way to produce all persons, all peoples, and it is supported to our population explosions already also. Conquest of disease. The disease of amount of the disease is goes to be very decreasing order in current scenario by the help of medicines, medical facilities, and good healthy diet provided by the our nations, our family, our members in our family. Reasons for high population growth. Some basic reasons for the high population growth: a spread of educations. Persons of the country are being educated about the diseases, and therefore it is safe by the disease and not goes to the death conditions. Control of disease, control of various communicable diseases in practices. Advancement in agriculture. Our farmers is sown very advanced crops, and the food productions is very high with respect to the some decades, and therefore high yielding crops to be developed by the farmers. Storage facilities. A good quantity of grains can be stored easily. Our food is stored is very simple way and very cheap way. Better transport. This protects from famines. All our uses, that is the commodity to provide by the food productions to food provide one place to another place by the transport facilities or medical facilities to provide by the transportation systems, and it helps the population's explosions. Protections from natural calamities. The diseases death rates is goes to very decreases because of prior informations by the natural climatic behavior, like rain is come after 2 days is very high, therefore we are precautionary, we are active, we are alert, and flood are come, tsunami are come, therefore we are ready to prepare for the fight that types of the natural disasters. Government is doing effort to provide maximum informations to the farmers, and therefore we aware that types of disease, that types of hazardous, and therefore it all are combinedly to help the population explosions. Life expectancy in 1960, male is up to 42.33 years average life rates, and female average life rates is 40.39, and in 2061 years of male and female 63.37 years, but in 2012 the males 64.5 years leave, but female is up to 68-year leave. Therefore, the life expectancy is goes to be increases with respect to the previous back some decades. Life expectancy at birth indicators the number of years a newborn infant would live if prevailing patterns of mortality, okay, at the time of its birth were to stay the same throughout its life. Therefore, we can say the life expectancy is goes to high with respect to the previous back some decades. After effects, population growth is fastest in world's less developed and other third world countries. Overpopulation leads to poverty, which ultimately make people more vulnerable to natural disasters and health or problems to not provide to all persons. Climate change and environmental impacts, increased crime and abuse. The crime and abuses goes to very high and very critical situations. It is affecting overall quality of life and degree of human suffering on earth is very bad, poor, overcrowded cities and lack of basic amenities for all. Okay. Now start. Next slide. Population momentum. The lack of balance between birth and death rates is particularly pronounced in many developing countries experiencing population momentum. This phenomenon occurs when a large population of the country population is of childbearing age, even if the fertility rate of people in developing countries reach replacement level, that if couples have only enough children to replace themselves when they die for several decades, the absolute numbers of people being born is still when exceeds the number of people dying. Momentum effect. Additional fertility is not due to women having more babies, but more younger women having babies. Okay. Here comparison of the population distribution of the China and India in 2015. We can see in that scenario in blue circle that is the population distribution with respect to the China and India. China and India population in distribution 2065. India is population is growth, very rapid growth, but here still it is a very decreasing order in China. Family planning. Now how to protect, how to control the explosion, population explosions. Family planning. First one is the family planning. Family planning is the planning of when to have children and the use of birth control and other techniques to implement such plans. Raghunath Donde Karve published a Marti magazine Samaj Swasthya 1927 to 1953. In it continually discussed issues of society's well-being through population control. He proposed that the India government should take up a populations control some programming bar, but was met with opportunities of oppositions, and it controls very simply. On his initiative, Karve started the very first birth control clinic in India in 1921. red triangle, this is the symbol of family planning, that is the downwards red triangle. We can use this triangle for the family planning purpose. And inverted rectangle is the symbol of family planning, health and contraceptions services. It is especially prevalent in many developing nations such as India, Ghana, Zimbabwe, Egypt and Thailand. The red triangle was invented by Deep Tyagi, an Indian family planning officials and activists in the 1960s. Family planning in India in 1950s, government started family planning efforts. More health care facilities were introduced for family planning. India is the first country in the world to launch such a program. A separate department of family planning was created in 1966 in the Ministry of Health, and the allocations for these program was just 0.1 crore in first 5-year plan. It increased to 3,256 crore in the 7th plan. And despite the fact that the sterilizing men is a more simple procedure, the government still choose the focus on sterilizing women instead. In 1976 to 1977, the program counted 8.3 million sterilizations, up from 2.7 million the previous years. The bad name forced changes in the name of the program, and every government since 1977 has stressed family planning is entirely voluntary. In 1977, the Junta government formulated a new population policy, ruling out compulsions. The acceptance of the program was made purely voluntary, and also the Junta government named the FP department, Family Planning Department, as Department of Family Welfare to be introduced by the family planning. Family welfare program, it is a centrally sponsored program for this state receive 100% assistance from central government. The current policy is to promote family planning on the basis of voluntary and informed acceptance with full community participation. Family welfare program can be successful only when it reaches those who are eligible and also those who are the targets. Eligible couples, and eligible couple is a currently married couple, and the wife being in the reproductive age group, that is 15 to 45 years. Therefore, we can take some necessary actions are this age group by the family welfare program. Target couple, they are couples who have had 2 to 3 living children, therefore targeted to stop new baby for with the this program. Couple protection rate, it is defined as the percentage of eligible couples effectively protected against childbirth by one or more methods of family planning to plan the family by this program. And the national family welfare program provided the following contraceptive services, that is for spacing births, like a condom, oral contraceptive, that is like medicines, that is pill, intrauterine devices, that is the IUD, are used by the this welfare program. The family welfare program was introduced in the Punjab state and during the year 1956. The main objective of the program is to reduce growth rate so as to stabilize the population at a level consistent with the needs and potential of national economy. Things changed radically in 1965 when war with Pakistan through the country economic is going to disarray, and under Sanjay Gandhi rules in 1976, his program used propaganda and monetary initiatives to convince citizens to get sterilized, and people who agreed to get sterilized would receive land, housing and money or loans, some extra promotions given by the government. And total fertility has to come down from 3.1 in 1992 to 2.6 in 2011, and wanted fertility is 1.9, indicating a desire for small families. It is very useful, and it is to control the population by this program. And the unmet need for family planning continues to be high at 13%. In states like UP, Bihar and Jharkhand it is over 20%, and female sterilization is still the most common method, over 50 lakhs done each year, most among young women under 25 years. And this is the female sterilization in India. And to control the population explosions in our nations with the help of this program, family welfare program, and sterilization still continue, and it is very helpful for control to family planning. Two-child norm in India to applicable, and some policies to applicable at that two childs. When 3 childs, when we born third child, therefore some government policies are not applicable for that third child of your family. Disadvantage of two childs norms. Some disadvantages of the two childs norms, that is the disqualifications from panchayat council positions. Many disqualified representatives have been unaware of two-child norm prior to their disqualifications. Deny of the certain public services and government program, including material and child health program. Public distribution system is Maharashtra and Rajasthan anti-decorative. Some measures disadvantage of the two-child program to be followed. And therefore, finally, we conclude the family planning is the basic important pillars of the population's explosions, to control the population explosions. And awareness, education system, and some basic need to provide all peoples. Therefore, we all are aware, and we control the population growth and population explosions. Thank you.